Hi, I'm John Sangiovanni, Coordinator of Elementary Mathematics, and this is Math in Minutes. We are going to take a look at decomposition of numbers. When we decompose numbers, we break them apart by their place value or in other convenient ways. We decompose numbers to make our computations more efficient. It helps us with mental mathematics, determining the reasonableness of our answers, problem solving, and estimation. Let's take a look at a few examples. Let's decompose 53. We might break 53 apart by its place value, 50 and 3. But sometimes it's more convenient to break apart numbers in different ways. For example, we might need to break 53 apart into 43 and 10. In other situations, it may be more convenient to break it apart into 30 and 23. We might break apart or decompose 53 into 31 and 22. But we don't always have to think about addition. We could also think of 53 as 60 and 7 less. In some cases, breaking apart numbers is more than breaking it into just two parts. We might break 53 into 25, 25, and 3. There are an infinite amount of ways to decompose numbers. Our students break apart numbers throughout elementary school. They use all sorts of models to show how they break apart numbers. They might use physical models like base 10 blocks or other tools. In the classroom, we sometimes use number webs or number bonds. Let's take a look at both of those right now. Let's think about the number 76. How could we decompose 76? In a number web, we write this number in the middle, and then we show different ways to decompose it. For example, 76 might be thought of as 70 plus 6. We might think of it as 75 plus 1, or even 60 plus 16. As we know, there are all sorts of possibilities for breaking apart a number. A number web allows students to decompose a number in lots of different ways. Another way to look at decomposition of number is through number bonds. In number bonds, we look at a way a number can be broken into two smaller numbers or two component numbers. For example, 83 might be the bond of 40 and 43. As with number webs, there are an infinite amount of number bonds that we could create. Students work with both number webs and number bonds, as well as physical models, to show their understanding of decomposition of number. This has been a look at decomposition of numbers. See you next time on Math in Minutes.